Hello, good viewers, you are welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this simple equation, but majority do mistake here. Now, what are we going to do? We are looking for the value of x here. When we have x squared equals root 6, then multiply by x. So now what we are going to do here is that don't do mistake by cancelling the both side by x. Okay, since you say you have x to be a factor, common factor. So what you are going to do, you are going to take this one here at the right hand side, you take it to the left hand side, you have x squared minus root 6x, then this will be equal 0, right? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is we can rewrite this to be x dot x minus root 6x equals what? Equals 0, right? So now from there, we see that we have x is here, so we are going to factorize the x out. So we are going to have x into bracket x minus root 6, because x dot x divided by x, you're going to have x. That is why we have here the root 6 times x divided by x here, you're going to have root 6, then equals 0. So now from there, so the next thing we're going to have is, this is zero form equation. So this is telling us that this either x equals 0 or what, or x minus root 6 equals 0, right? So now from here, we have x to be equals to 0 or x to be equals, we are now going to transpose this root 6 to the right hand side. That will change to positive, then we are going to have x equals root 6. Now quickly, let's see or check to see whether what we have is right. So we are going to pick this x equals to 0 back to the equation given to us. The equation said x squared equals root 6, then x, right? So now we have x to be 0. So when you put x to be 0 square root 6 multiplied by 0, you can see that we have the two sides of the equation be equal 0, right? Then also let's check for when x equals root 6. So we're going to have root 6 all squared equals root 6 multiplied by root 6. So here, this we cancel this, so we have 6 equals root 6 times root 6 will also give us 6. You can see we have the two sides to be the same. So therefore, we have our solution: s equals 0 satisfied and s equals root 6 satisfied. So that's the end of the class. If you enjoyed the class, please share this class to your colleagues. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Bye-bye.